Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's video, I'll show you how to install SmartTube on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So to do this, we're going to head over to step 1, and then from step 1 we'll go to step 2. So step 1 is going to be enabling developers options, basically giving us the ability to download and install apps from unknown sources, so download and install unknown apps, just like SmartTube. So head over to quick settings, go to all settings, navigate down to where you find system, and then go to about. From about, just scroll down until you find build number. Click on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This enables developers options. So basically that allows you to be able to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. Now that you're a developer, you can head back out. And we're going to be using the unlinked app for this process in step 2. If you don't have the unlinked app, check the video I have showing you how to download and install it. Then launch the app. When you launch the app, you just want to open up the library. Add this library. So I'm going to add everything library. So everything, capital letters, EV, everything, just like that. If you use the auto suggest, it always keeps a space at the end. Delete that space. So just everything, no capital, no spaces, no small letters, everything in capitals, just everything. That's the code. So click on OK, enter that code. You get out of this page and you're going to go to the next page, then go to the item 10. So click on enter, then just go to item 10. So right there, that's item 10. Tools, you see SmartTube. Click on SmartTube once and click on download. This is going to download the app. And when the download is complete, you're prompted to install the application. So I'll give you a second to just download. And when the download is complete, we're going to install the SmartTube app. So this is almost complete. It has a few seconds to wrap off on the download. And when the download is done, you see that install app button pop up. You want to just click on that right there. So click on install app. And mind you, the fact that you have made developers options be active is the reason why you can install from here. So step 1 was valid, and now you can click on install. Now if you see a message saying unknown app or install from unknown sources, just go to unlink and click unlink to allow unlink download and install apps from unknown sources. And that does it for this video. You have SmartTube successfully downloaded and installed on Chromecast. If you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video with more tutorials just like this one.